In this thrilling adventure through the Ranthambore Zone 3, join me and my fellow wildlife photographers as we explore the breathtaking landscapes and vibrant ecosystems of this iconic sanctuary. Our journey takes us past the historic fort and the serene lakes, where we encountered an incredible 5 tigers in a single safari, including the legendary tigresses Arrowhead and Ruthie. As we immerse ourselves in the lush greenery and the diverse wildlife, we'll share unforgettable moments with the majestic tigers, playful cubs, and the tranquil beauty of the nature. Buckle up for an exciting ride filled with stunning sights and captivating stories from the heart of the wild. Welcome back to the channel. This is Bijoy with you, and you're watching Abey Odysseys. Once again, we journeyed to Zone 3 in Ranthambore, our jeep racing along the brick-paved road that wound through the towering mountains. Along the way, we passed the newly renovated entrance gate of the magnificent yet crumbling Ranthambore Fort. I'm traveling with our fellow wildlife photographers from Delhi during this week's safaris. As we traveled along the path, we scanned both sides carefully for any signs of tigers, for this was the territory of Tigress Sultana, a renowned tigress. The last sighting I had of her was along the roadside in this area. She rules Zone 1 and now has 3 cubs by her side. After about 8 minutes, we entered Zone 3 through the Jogi Mahal gate. From this vantage point, the view of the vast fort sprawling across the forest is absolutely spectacular. We travelled along the shores of Padam Talao Lake and Rajbag Lake, where in the distance we could see the hunting palace nestled on the banks. Each zone, Ranthambore, boasts its own unique topography and natural beauty, but the Zone 3 stands out with a distinctive charm that deserves special mention. Here, the landscape is a harmonious blend of lush greenery, undulating hills, and sparkling lakes, creating a picturesque setting that captivates the senses. The interplay of light and shadow among the trees adds to the enchanting atmosphere, while the diverse flora and fauna contributes to its rich ecological tapestry. Zone 3 not only offers breathtaking views but also an immersive experience that showcases the true essence of this remarkable wildlife sanctuary. Adjacent to Rajbag Lake lies a small tranquil lake where we were treated to an incredible sighting of several male sambar deer lounging in the water, while egrets lined the shore and one even perched atop an antler, eagerly munching on the insects. This charming tableau added a delightful touch to the serene scene. In Ranthambore Zone 3, nature reveals its beauty in vibrant emerald greens after the rains. Majestic mountains rise in the background, framed by a historic fort that whispers tales of the past. Shimmering lakes mirror this stunning landscape, creating a serene paradise where nature and history coexist in perfect harmony. After that, we went to the small ancient building near Padamthalao Lake where the tigress arrowhead was spotted yesterday evening. In the previous video, I mentioned that we had visited this spot from the other side of the Zone 2 border before the rain, which left us drenched. Inside Ranthambore forest, nature's beauty flourishes as grey langurs and spotted deer roam freely. The playful langurs dash about, their lively antics adding joy to the scene, while the graceful deer graze peacefully nearby. A particularly captivating sight is a langur sitting on the entrance area of an ancient fort building, framed by weathered stone. The vibrant greenery contrasts beautifully with the historical architecture, creating a stunning tableau that showcases the harmony between wildlife and history in this enchanting landscape. We waited for a while and then made our way to the lakeside opposite Jogi Mahal. What a breathtaking view it was. The view was truly stunning, with Ranthambore Fort rising majestically in the background. Its ancient walls stood proud against the sky, adding a sense of history to the landscape. Across the lake, Jogi Mahal graced the other shore, its elegant structure reflecting in the shimmering water. Around us, several birds soared through the air, their graceful flight enchanting the serene atmosphere. On the shore beside us, a herd of painted storks rested, their striking colors creating a vibrant contrast against the natural surroundings. This picturesque scene perfectly captured the harmony of wildlife and history in Ranthambore. From there, we drove up the hills to a high point where a man-made waterhole is located. There, we spotted tigress arrowhead resting in the pool, with several safari jeeps and caravans already gathered, eager to see her awaken and spring into action. We also joined the waiting crowd, but the tigress seemed exhausted, lying low and raising her head only occasionally. Other guides had informed us that she had a minor injury from a crocodile bite but was recovering and had been hunting for herself and her cubs. Additionally, she had been involved in a territorial dispute with another female tigress during the previous days. During our wait, a thrilling moment unfolded when a sambar deer approached the waterhole, unaware of the lurking predator. As the deer drew closer, the tigress raised her head, poised to attack. Luckily for the sambar, it suddenly sensed danger, emitted an alarm call, and dashed away just in time. All the cameras were ready to capture the potential kill, but the sambar deer escaped with its life, leaving us both relieved and slightly disappointed. After waiting over 30 minutes, with the tigress still asleep, we decided to explore another area and return to the Rajbag Lake. Upon arrival, we spotted several safari gypsies waiting, so we joined them. The view of the huge crocodile floating on the lake was striking. though shrouded in darkness due to the lighting conditions. The shadows cast by the fading light made the crocodile appear even more imposing as it lay motionless on the water's surface. Its rough textured skin blended seamlessly with the dark hues of the lake, creating a sense of mystery. The low light accentuated the creature's powerful silhouette, making it look both majestic and intimidating as it patiently floated, a silent sentinel in the twilight. A few minutes later, we were thrilled to see Tigress Riddhi, the daughter of Tigress Arrowhead, approaching from the woods. Riddhi was also the mother of the cubs which we had seen earlier this morning, adding an exciting connection to our day. Interestingly, this was once a Tigress Arrowhead's territory, but Riddhi had ousted her from it when she became a mature tigress few years back. Soon, Tigress Riddhi emerged, growling softly as she made her way towards us. Her movements were slow and deliberate, exuding confidence. As she turned to her right and continued on that path, she paused occasionally, surveying her surroundings with keen interest. The tension in the air was palpable as we watched her navigate the landscape, a powerful presence commanding the attention of everyone nearby. As she walked, we began to follow her, captivated by her graceful movements. However, she soon turned to her right and started moving back into the opposite direction. We adjusted our position to keep her in sight, eager to see where she would lead us next. However, she chose to move away from us, walking to her right and distancing herself. Despite this, she continued to growl, her sounds echoing through the wild. The deep resonant growls added to the atmosphere, creating a thrilling sense of wilderness as we watched her disappear into the foliage. To our thrilling surprise, we soon noticed the tiger cubs emerging from the lakeside jungle, their playful curiosity evident as they approached us. Their small, nimble forms contrasted beautifully with the surrounding greenery, and the sight of them added an extra layer of excitement to our experience. It was a heartwarming moment as we watched them explore their environment full of youthful energy and innocence. The sight of the tiger cubs emerging and walking towards their mother, just few hundred meters away, at the sound of couple of growls, truly amused us. Their innocent curiosity and playful nature combined with awareness that they were heading toward the powerful presence of Riddhi made for a captivating moment. It beautifully illustrated the strong bond between mother and cubs in the wild. We followed them all the way until the cubs were out of our sight, and it was an exhilarating experience. The anticipation and excitement of witnessing such a precious moment in nature left us in awe. As the cubs moved closer to their mother and began walking into the jungle, we decided to return to where Tigress Arrowhead was sleeping by the poolside. As we arrived there, we found only few vehicles nearby and the tigress was still peacefully resting in the water. It felt tranquil, a perfect contrast to the excitement we had just experienced. By this time it was already 6:25 p.m. and we needed to exit the gate before 7 p.m. We said goodbye to Tigress Arrowhead and made our way back to the lakeside. From a distance, we spotted Tigress Riddhi and her three cubs resting on the lawn area at the shore of the lake. Excited, we rushed over. As we got closer, we witnessed the tigress and her cubs performing a royal march past in front of our cameras. It was an incredibly thrilling sight as the tigress seemed to be taking her guard of honor from all of the safari vehicles. They soon approached us, crossed the road, and then headed up the hills waving goodbye as they disappeared into the wilderness. After sighting 5 tigers in single safari, including 3 playful cubs, our minds were filled with exhilaration and awe. Each encounter deepened our appreciation for the beauty of the wild. On our way back, we were treated to a stunning sunset casting a warm glow over the backdrop of the Padam Lake mountains. It was the perfect conclusion to a happy safari, leaving us with unforgettable memories and a sense of gratitude for the incredible experiences we had shared. Thank you for watching this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, please make your comments below this video. Till I come back with another video, this is Bijoy signing off. Thank you and goodbye.